What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw an orange. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll need a small sketchbook and a pencil. I'll be sketching with this 2B Styler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing we want to do is define the size of our orange with a circle, and to help us do that we're going to create a line coming down the center, starting from the very top. It's going to lightly work our way down the center of our page using these short lines. Let's move back to the center of the page and draw another line going across from left to right. Now these two lines are going to help us create that circle. So from the center point, let's move up to the top. Just going to mark out the top of our circle right about there. Let's take that distance from the center down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Now I want to repeat that across this horizontal line. So measure the distance from the center over towards the left and then the right side. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create that circle. So I'm going to start with the top left. Just going to work our way around, and the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We can always come back and just smooth this out after. Now that we have our circle in place, I'm going to go back and erase these two guidelines. Now with this orange, I want to tilt the center point over towards the right. So we're going to start over on the right side of our circle. It's going to draw a straight angle line coming down and across that center point towards the bottom left. And we're going to draw the stem right here. We're going to draw a small little circle on the end. Around that circle, we're going to add a couple folds. We're going to bend this around and out towards the left, go across and then down towards the right. I'm just going to pull a couple more lines going around the top of that stem. Just adding these little folds. Let's go back and erase that center line. Now we're going to extend that stem. From the side of our circle, we're just going to angle this up towards the top. Flatten off the end. Let's add a leaf coming out towards the left side. So we're going to start from the stem, bend this up, come across, and then out. Let's add the outside of the leaves. We're going to start from the tip, come across, and just bend that back up towards the stem. Let's draw on the back side. We're going to go up and then back down. Once we're happy with the composition of our drawing, we're going to go in and start adding some detail. Let's start with the stem. So I'm going to start with the bottom edge. Now at this point, it's just about observing the little details in our drawing and the subject. So there's a little base across the bottom of the stem. Bend this out on the sides. And you see the top edge of that stem. So we're just going to draw a small little oval. Just going to add some thickness to that stem going out towards the leaf. And just blend out towards the sides of the leaf. Now I'm just going to add some curvature and shape to the bottom edge of the leaf going out toward the tip. So go up and just bend that down. And just work our way across the top. Have that center seam, middle, and go and just define those little folds on the inside. Just fade those out. And we'll trace the outside of our orange. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfectly round. It's actually nice that we have this little organic shape. These little bumps and curves are okay. And once we finish tracing out all our contouring, I'm going to go back and just clean this up one final time before we add in our detail and shading. I'm going to switch to the flat edge of my pencil and fill in the inside of that leaf. Starting from the tip, just lightly working our way back in. I'm going to darken up the back half of that leaf from the stem, just working our way up. Darken up that front edge and then fade that back. We're going to get this little highlight along the top edge of that seam. Now let's darken up the stem across the bottom I'm just going to gradually fade that up towards the top and the sides. Now with the lighting, I want to imagine it coming down from the top right, going across. So the highlights will sit along the top of our orange with the shadows across the bottom, but we want to reflect some light coming back up. So we start by lightly shading the bottom of our orange, and we'll just gradually fade that up towards the top, towards that stem. And this will be the base layer of our shadows. And I want to darken up the center of our orange. So the shadows will be darkest right about here. And we're going to flex some light going back up. So we just want to fade that down towards the bottom. So a little bit of a highlight along the outside edge. And this area right here is going to be the darkest. Let's just fade that up towards the top. Darken up the outside on the left, and then fade that down. Now I'm going to go and just lightly add some texture inside the orange. So these little spots going across in that highlight area and across the bottom. And go a little bit darker across the shadows. Just going to go back and just darken up that shadow again, and just adjusting our contrast. Now this orange is going to cast a shadow across the table surface. So we're going to darken up the center point, and I'm just going to lean that over towards the left, just fading that out, and then across the bottom. Now that shadow is going to be darkest across that contact point. As I get closer to the end, I'm just going to tighten up my shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And there we have it. There's a sketch illustration of an orange. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different objects just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.